Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, my name is Albi. I do sew clothes from scratch as well as upcycle old things. Today, I will be sharing with you another upcycling idea. Specifically, I'll be giving this old peeling bag a fabulous new look. Here is the bag I am going to upcycle. As you can see, there are parts of it that have started peeling off. I've had this bag for a couple of years already. Since it started peeling, I stopped using it but did not throw it away because I plan to give this bag a new look. Let's start our project by peeling the outermost layer of the bag. I'll be using these fabric scraps to cover the bag. Since I can't use this leftover cloth as it is, I'll cut them into small rectangles first. Next, I'll arrange these small rectangles on top of another cloth. I will use this Alpha Gina cloth as a backing material for our bag cover. Next, I'll join these three fabrics using hemming tape. I can use my sewing machine to join them. However, I'd like to try the hemming tape. I want to know how effective this hemming tape is. To make sure that all fabric scraps stay together, I'll apply a zigzag stitch. Lay the bag cover on a flat surface. Then, put the bag on top of it. With the help of a pen, trace the shape of the bag. Apply a double stitch on the traced shape of the bag. Once done, cut the excess fabric. Time to cover our bag.